So rational zero test. We're going to take a polynomial that has integer coefficients we're talking about, and we're going to write it in a p over q form, where p and q have no common factors other than 1. You have to understand that right here, p is a factor of the constant term, and q is a factor of what we call the leading coefficient. So p is at the end of the polynomial, and q is at the beginning. I have no idea where the p and the q actually came from, but even when I was sitting in your chair, we call them p's and q's. Okay? So here's p, here's q. So in this problem, we set the p equal to 6. I really don't care about the positive or negative. What are the factors of 6? One, 2, 3, 6. What are the factors of q? Well, q is a 1, so the only factors are 1. Now, some of you might be asking, why didn't you do the negative 6? And you can write down negative 6, but here's what happens. Take every one of your p values and put it over q. So that's 1 over 1, 2 over 1, 3 over 1, and 6 over 1, right? So 1, 2, 3, and 6 are all the p's and q's. And then we say these may or may not be positive or negative. So by putting the plus or minus out in front of all those p's over q's, okay, we only have how many numbers in the p over q list now? 8. 4 positive, 4 negative. Okay. Again, now this is something that's kind of weird. When I was sitting in your chair, we had to take these 8 numbers. I believe if you go look in your textbook, I don't even know what page it's on anymore. I've already forgotten all the rules because it's not as important anymore. But you have these 8 numbers. Rational zeros are quote-unquote nice numbers. That includes fractions. So if one of the factors would be a 2/3, that's considered nice. We're talking about a square root of 7 or square root of 11. Your rational numbers, those are not nice. So what I want you to do is type this into y1. Everybody type it into y1 on your calculator. What is it? X cubed? Minus 7x. What? Minus 6. When I was in your chair, we didn't have a way for this to pop up. We didn't have. Okay? So this whole P over Q thing was really, really important to us. But now you guys can kind of look at your calculator. Look at that list of numbers that we generated. 1, 2, 3, and 6. And it could be positive or negative. Does it look like I'm hitting any of those numbers right now? What does it look like? Maybe -2? Maybe -1?